Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is March the 8th, and we have my Coleus seedlings here, some of them. This is Black Dragon. This is some of the Wizard mix here. This is the Wizard Rose. This is a beautiful one, the Wizard Rose, if you can find the seeds for it. They're a little bit more difficult to find. But it's just an absolutely gorgeous plant. It'll actually get like white in it with the pink and the green, and the more sun it gets, the more the colors intensify on it. And I have some more Coleus growing over here. Hold on a moment. There's some more Coleus growing over here. Now these were started, some of these were started on different days. So that's why they're at different heights and stuff. Like this one here didn't even start getting its true colors yet, or its true leaves. But they're just absolutely gorgeous plants. I highly recommend them if you've never grown them before. They're super easy to do from seed. Just make sure you put the seeds on top of the soil so they get the light they need to germinate. So I just wanted to give you this update video here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.